MS SQL Server. Beginner to Advanced Tutorial. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL lets you access and manipulate databases. SQL became a standard of the American National Standards Institute (ANSI) in 1986 and of the International Organization for Standardization (ISO) in 1987. What can SQL do? SQL can execute queries against a database. SQL can retrieve data from database. SQL can insert records in a database. SQL can update records in a database. SQL can delete records from a database. SQL can create new databases. SQL can create new tables in a database. SQL can create stored procedures in a database. SQL can create views in a database. SQL can set permissions on tables, procedures, and views. Important SQL commands. Select extracts data from a database. Update updates data in a database. Delete deletes data from a database. Insert into inserts new data into a database. Create database creates a new database. Alter database modifies a database. Create table creates a new table. Alter table modifies a table. Drop table deletes a table. Create index creates an index search key. SQL Statements. Most of the actions you need to perform on a database are done with SQL statements. Example: select from customers. SQL Select Statements. The select statement is used to select data from a database. Example: select from table name. SQL Select Distinct Statements. The select distinct statement is used to return only distinct different value. Example: select distinct column 1 column 2 from table name. SQL Where Clause. The Where clause is used to filter records. Example. Select column 1, column 2 from table name. Where condition. SQL AND Operator. The AND operator displays a record if all the conditions separated by AND are true. Example. Select column 1, column 2 from table name. Where condition 1 and condition 2 and condition 3. SQL OR Operator. The OR operator displays a record if any of the conditions separated by OR is true. Example. Select column 1, column 2 from table name. Where condition 1 OR condition 2 OR condition 3. SQL NOT Operator. The NOT operator displays a record if the conditions is not true. Example. Select column 1, column 2 from table name. Where not condition. SQL order by. The order by keyword is used to sort the results set in ascending or descending order. Example. Select column 1, column 2 from table name. Order by column 1, column 2. SQL Like Operator. The like operator is used in a where clause to search for a specified pattern in a column. The percent sign represents 0, 1, or multiple characters. The underscore represents a single character. Example. SQL Between. The between operator selects values within a given range. The values can be numbers, text, or dates. Example. Select column names from table name. Where column name between value 1 and value 2. SQL Joins. A join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. Inner join. The inner join keyword selects records that have matching values in both tables. Example. Select column names from table 1. Inner join table 2 on table 1. Column name table 2. Column name. Left join. The left join keyword returns all records from the left table, table 1, and the matched records from the right table, table 2. The result is null from the right side if there is no match. Example. Select column names from table 1. Left join table 2 on table 1, column name table 2. Column name. Right join. The right join keyword returns all records from the right table, table 2, and the matched records from the left table, table 1. Result is null from the left side, when there is no match. Example. Select column names from table 1. Right join table 2 on table 1. Column name table 2. Column name. Outer join. Outer join. The full outer join keyword returns all records when there is a match in left table 1 or right table 2 table records. Example. Select column names from table 1. Full outer join table 2 on table 1, column name table 2. Column name where condition. Store procedure. A stored procedure is a prepared SQL code that you can save, so the code can be reused over and over again. Example. Create procedure name. As SQL statement, go. Exec procedure name. Thank you.